In this video, we'll show you exactly how to create a lead scoring system using CRM tools so you can boost your lead management and conversion rates. Stick with me till the end because we'll walk through the best way to do this in a few simple steps. And I've got an exclusive offer for you to try the best CRM software for this process, free. More on that in a minute. The first thing you want to do when creating a lead scoring system using CRM tools is define your criteria. This means figuring out what makes a lead valuable for your business. Do they engage with your content? Do they visit your website frequently? Or do they fill out specific forms or request more information? These actions will help you decide how to rank your leads. Once you've established your criteria, it's time to assign values. For example, visiting your pricing page could be worth 10 points, while downloading a case study might be worth 5. The more valuable the action, the higher the score. When you're setting this up, it's important to keep in mind that not all actions are equal, so prioritize what truly indicates a potential customer. Now, let's talk about how to input this information into your CRM. The software we'll be using makes it easy to create a custom lead scoring model based on your defined criteria. Once you set your scoring system up, leads will automatically accumulate points based on their activity, giving you a clear view of who's ready to buy and who needs more nurturing. Next, you want to automate follow-ups based on the scores. A lead with a high score should be contacted immediately, while a lower scoring lead might be placed in a nurturing sequence. This is where CRM tools really shine. They let you automate these follow-up actions to save you time and effort while staying on top of your leads. The CRM software we'll be using also allows you to track these leads' behavior over time. This gives you more data to adjust your scoring system as needed, ensuring it's always aligned with your goals. One more thing to consider is periodic reassessment of your scoring system. As your business evolves, so should your scoring model. Over time, you'll notice patterns that indicate certain lead behaviors are more predictive of sales than others. You can then tweak your scoring system to reflect these insights. Key takeaway from today. A lead scoring system in your CRM can dramatically improve your lead management by automating follow-ups, identifying high-priority leads, and ultimately increasing conversions. Define your criteria, assign scores, automate follow-ups, and regularly reassess the system. Quick revision. We walked through defining criteria, assigning values, automating follow-ups, tracking lead behavior, and reassessing your system. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. Try out the software we've been using to create this lead scoring system and see how it can make your lead management more effective. Thanks for watching.